Sitting in the living room, a father and his son discuss the best techniques for improving spoken English.
Son, I know you've been trying to improve your spoken English. Do you want me to share some useful techniques with you?
Yes, Dad. I really want to speak fluently, but sometimes I get stuck.
That's completely normal. Spoken English requires practice and the right techniques. First, you must think in English instead of translating from your native language.
But how can I do that? My mind automatically translates words before I speak.
One way is to immerse yourself in English daily. Listen to English podcasts, watch movies, and read books in English. This way, your brain adapts to the language naturally.
That makes sense. What else can I do?
Shadowing is another powerful technique. You listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say, mimicking their pronunciation and tone.
That sounds fun. Should I do this with TV shows or audiobooks?
Yes, choose content with clear pronunciation and repeat sentences right after hearing them. This improves fluency and accent.
What about vocabulary? I sometimes struggle to find the right words.
Build your vocabulary by learning phrases instead of individual words. For example, instead of memorizing important, learn it's important to note that. This makes your speech more natural.
Oh, that way I won't have to stop and think of how to form sentences.
Exactly. Another technique is to practice speaking out loud every day. Talk to yourself in English, describe your daily activities, or even record your voice.
I never thought of that. I usually just read silently.
Speaking aloud builds confidence. Also, engage in conversations with English speakers whenever possible.
But what if I make mistakes? Won't people laugh at me?
Mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. The key is to keep speaking and improving.
That's reassuring. Is there a way to practice without a speaking partner?
Yes, you can use language apps, join online English forums, or even talk to AI chatbots. The goal is to keep using the language.
Thanks, Dad. I'll start practicing these techniques today.
That's the spirit. Just be consistent, and soon you'll see great improvement.